Hello friends, I recently bought this iPhone 12 Pro Max and I thought I should make a quick unboxing video. So basically this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB Pacific Blue US version. This time if you can see, the box is pretty thin because Apple is not including the power brick inside, which is really disappointing. But anyways, let's open the box and see what does it include. And I must say, this iPhone looks beautiful. You must see this in person. The color, the finish is just on another level. So let's just take it out. And this looks gigantic but beautiful. Now let's take out the screen protector. And I just can't explain you how beautiful it feels in hand. And since this is US version, it has this extra mmWave 5G antenna. Camera system looks amazing on this body, and the frosted finish on the back also feels so different and so premium. Here is a new LiDAR sensor which will help you in AR and low light photography. We will discuss a lot about this LiDAR sensor on the channel in near future. Now let's keep this aside and check out the accessories. So first you have is this USB-C to lightning cable. You need USB-C adapter in your house to use this cable. Then you have the SIM ejector tool, then some paperwork, and then this Apple sticker which is a little bigger this year compared to previous years. That's all you get in the box. Now if I compare the size with my old iPhone 6s Plus, it's almost similar in size. Little thicker than 6s Plus, but the height and width feels almost similar. Now looking at my current iPhone, this is 10s and I'm switching from 10s to 12 Pro Max this year. Now if you look at the screen size, it's a big jump in screen real estate. So if you compare it, literally the iPhone 12 Pro Max is much bigger in screen size. It's a big phone and I have decided to use this phone this year. I'll share everything about this iPhone on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.